Today we're going to be having a look at these NOMA Surrey Lanterns. These are, well, hopefully NOMA Surrey Lanterns. They're an odd set of lights because, one, they're hard to actually distinguish what set of lights they actually are, because I'm not really up on NOMA lights. I know certain models, unlike pifco where they have model numbers and a good resource in the UK, information on NOMA lights isn't as collected as there is on pifco lights. In the archive, you can see here we have them as NOMA lanterns. Just simple, plain NOMA lanterns, but they have the mini lanterns attached to them as well. Then you have an earlier NOMA decoration set of 20, which is mixed lanterns. It's the Surrey lanterns and the mini lanterns, but you can see from the bulb holders that they are the same set of lights. They also did the bubble lanterns or carnival lanterns as well in the NOMA name. That was another mould that was widely produced in China. And then you have this decoration set, which is just the mini lanterns. Then you have another set of, then we have this box, which is Surrey Lanterns, and they've got push-in bulbs. They've got different coloured flex cable. These are a 90s set, but we get the Surrey Lanterns name. Got these lights made by Kushu. They're almost identical to the NOMA ones. They're push-in, they've got the same shades as the ones we have here, but they go in a circle or a circular set. So lots of odd variations through the years. Premier had their own version as well. They did two different boxes. Box 1 has the lanterns in gold and black, box 2 has them in gold and black. But again, it must be like some of the other lights. These shades are obviously made in one factory in Hong Kong, and then they're just used for lots of other makers. Now, are these Surrey Lanterns? Are these NOMA? It's hard to tell. I'm guessing they are NOMA. They're an 80s set. They've got tri-pin bulb holders, 1, 2, 3. Some NOMA lights had that, some didn't. There you go, there's the shade. This shade has obviously popped off in the box. You can see how it's held in place by these tabs, and this tab is missing. So they come apart like this. There's the top hat and the insert, which is in 2 pieces, and then there's the rest of the carriage. So one goes in that, another one goes in that, and then this little top hat. Sits in there like that. Not much to them. They don't have much of a rattle. It's quite a good overall fit. But they look like Surrey Lanterns. I mean, my archive is not the biggest or best resource. These could be an early version of Surrey Lanterns, or they may have had a different name, but I'm guaranteeing you that these are definitely NOMA lights. So that's going to be in the description title of the video, NOMA Surrey Lanterns. There's that many variations though, it's hard to be 100% sure, but let's get them lit up. Hopefully they light. On the previous video we had a struggle session, but there we go, straight away. And we've got 2 bulbs out as well, 2 blue ones. See if we can get them going. Yep, definitely blow. Try this one. Nope, definitely blow. Luckily they're not too bright, so we can have a good look at them. Good colours. These ones have not had any work done. They're pretty much as I got them. You've got yellow, green, got red, got pink, and you got blue. Not much refraction on these, unfortunately. It's a little bit, but not much. These pink ones are almost got a yellow tinge to them, like a peach colour. Bulb holders are quite narrow. They do have some lines on them. Don't know how well that's showing up. Got some slight grooves on them. That might help us identify the sets from a lot of the other makers. This one is cracked randomly. But they're a popular set of lights. I've seen them sell up to £50 before now. I prefer to have all the same shades rather than the mini lanterns on them. Got a fuse bulb in a yellow. So they're definitely a set of lights I've had my hands on. We need a bit of work. We need to find the missing cover from this one. We need to get 2 replacement bulbs, and some of them need a little tickle with some bulb paint. This red one is fine. That one's a little faded. To be honest, they all need a bit of work. The yellow ones could probably stay as is. They're not too badly faded. The top of this one still has paint on it. It's almost an orange yellow. We'll do a little bit of work on these and we'll give them a freshen up, but there's a quick little video for you about NOMA Surrey Lanterns, or whatever they may be. Again, I'm certain that these are Surrey Lanterns. They're an early set, an 80s set, but let us know what you think in the comments. Have you seen this exact variation with the translucent green cable, white bulb holders with lines every so often, tri-pin? Have you seen them made by somebody else like this? Do you think they're NOMA? Do you think they're made by somebody else? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll catch you on the next one.